main purpose of object-oriented programming? So, what's the main purpose of object-oriented programming? So, object-oriented programming, so the main purpose is to deal with the real world issue or entity and solve it using programming language. Okay, so the real world issues means the issues faced in real world by people or programmers. So for that we have to use object oriented programming to solve the issues. Okay, so OOPS has lots of features in it. So what are those? So first OOPS features are class, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstractions. These are following features of object oriented programming. So we are going to see each feature line by line, and I am going to explain you about those object oriented programming features. Okay, so first feature comes is a class. So what's a class feature does in object oriented programming in OOPS? Okay, so class has your logic. When you write a logic in your code, it sits in a class. Okay, so class doesn't have any sizes and don't have any size of its own, and you can write your logic or create a logic and write it on the class. So first feature of is class. I have explained to you. The second one is object. So what is an object? Okay, so object contains class and couple of more keywords or we can say libraries, which is called as object. Okay, then comes the class has state of behavior or collection of classes is called as one object. Okay, one object is made up of couple of classes and logics and etc. These all makes one object. Okay, the next feature is inheritance. Okay, inheritance is nothing but to reuse the provided integration of codes. Okay, like inheritance is like when a dog or any animal give birth to its next generation, and the next generation give birth to another next generation, it inheritance some properties or some we can say